Hello and welcome to this AI Bot Studio review and demonstration. I'm just going to take you through the dashboard to start off with, and once you log in to AI Bot Studio, you will see that you're presented with this dashboard, which it'll show you chatbot activity, the most or the top performing chatbots, and also a live map, so where everybody's interacting around the world with your chatbots. And this will light up with little dots from all over wherever the people are interacting with your chatbot. Okay, so just up here, just to let you know, this is a global control center, which is an integration that comes with the actual AI Bot Studio. So this is again the dashboard, and it's got some great information in there. But here you'll have access to contacts, so it'll be a bit like having your own database. We can actually add new contacts, import contacts, and or export contacts as well. Okay, just bear with me for a second. My internet is a little bit slow. Hopefully that's a clearer picture there for you. You'll also be able to tag as well the different projects that you're working on. You'll have custom fields to create your forms in. Also a lot of integrations. I'm just going to load this integrations up. You'll see it loads with many platforms, from autoresponders, booking platforms, payment services, video, audio, webinar platforms, to name a lot. There is a pipeline that you can develop here for leads that you may have. You'll also be able to use your own use this as your own email platform, your own autoresponder, which will work well, and SMS function, as well as creating QR codes, getting leads off Facebook, and as well as a reward library and image library. So I just wanted to quickly show you that. Let's go back to this dashboard here. Here you're going to also be able to get all the training videos on how to use AI Bot Studio. Okay, so it's very thorough training and short videos too. Most of them are less than 5 minutes, and they'll take you through the whole setup and how to integrate, with your domain, and also your messaging channels like Instagram, Messenger, and also WhatsApp. Okay, so that's there for you. This last button here is just a little toggle switch if you want to make the background light or dark. So this is how easy it is. Just toggle switch. I'll go back light just for this presentation. Okay, so next we're going to create our first bot. So we're going to create our first bot, and very simple here once this loads up. And so we're going to contact, we're going to call this bot, I should say. Let's say you've got a real estate business in Florida. Let's have a look here. I think high-end real estate Florida. I'm going to use, just for the sake of simplicity and not having this video go on too long, I'm going to use that in the description, but here you can add, what your company does and what this chatbot's going to help the visitor to your site achieve. We're going to actually save that. Okay, so now you actually see the shell, okay, of your chatbot. So what we need to do now is create the expert. So we need to have the expert fill in all the details for this chatbot, which is the high-end luxury real estate in Florida. Okay, so let's go to create the expert, and we're going to call this high-end realtor Florida. That's the name of the expert. We're going to select the role. It's going to be a company representative. The tone is going to be, let's go friendly. And now we need to train the bot. Okay, so what is the bot goal? So to speed up the process, what I did do is I went to ChatGPT, and I'll just show you what I wrote in the prompt here. So in the prompts, I'm creating a sales assistant for a bot on a site that sells high-end real estate in the state of Florida. What domain knowledge will I need to feed the bot so that it can provide service guidance and make appointments for our real estate organization? It came back with this, so I'm just going to copy all of this up to here. And paste it there, and then you need to give the bot a background. Okay, so the expertise. Where does the expertise come from? So again, I asked ChatGPT to assist me with this as well. Let's have a look. See if we can get access here, and okay, so again I put the prompt in. What expert background should the bot have to service its clients and sell appointments for their real estate agency? And again, it provided me with this information, like it must be licensed, it must be a local expert in the state of Florida. And so I just did this here, and I've just gone back and pasted it there. Okay, so you can select your OpenAI account, or you can use the admin account. So if you don't have your own, AI Bot Studio allows you to use their admin account, and think of the search terms that people will be putting in. Let's say high-end real estate Florida. And what we're going to do is we're going to generate the instructions to create our expert. And as you can see, it's taking next to no time. Okay, we've got it there, and we can create our expert. Okie doke. So there you have it. So with the I've actually created it as an individual. Okay, so I'm going to go back here to the bot library. And this is where we're going to customize our. Okay, so as you can see, I have the shell here again, but it's actually a little bit more than a shell now. It's got some information. So I'm going to click on these three dots here, and I am going to edit the chatbot. And as you can see, that's the chatbot there, and you're going to see the changes as I type on the left-hand side. The changes are going to be made over here on the right-hand side. So let's go in, and just one thing I need to let you know, you can actually make this AI assistant for a bot or for a page. Okay, so it'll have a URL to go directly to a page, or just a bot that would pop up normally on the bottom right hand side. Okay, so here we go. So you're gonna see in real time. Let's enter a headline here. Okay, what can I put in? Let's think. Get the best high-end Florida real estate, and we can put in here, we have your best interest at heart. Okay, and then you can say, welcome, how can I help you? And you can leave it as ask me anything. And as you go down, you can see that it actually has a disclaimer. This is an automated chatbot response, and it's important to be transparent. And if you have a privacy policy that you'd like to link onto here, that can be done also too. Okay, so now we're going to go to the AI assistant. Okay, and so we're going to go to the high-end Realtor Florida chatbot that we've actually created. Okay, and we're also going to go to some quick buttons here. So if you want, you can actually have get in touch, send me my, I don't know, property report, and let's make an appointment. Okay, so as you can see here, these buttons, so they can actually just tap on these buttons, and then the chatbot will organize the relevant information that these buttons actually apply to. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to customize. Okay, so as this is a fictitious chatbot that I'm creating, I did go ahead and create a logo. Let's see if I can find it here. See if it comes up. Oops, it's come up upside down. That's okay. We'll work with that for now, but just so you get the idea. And then it also asks for a round logo. Don't know if I was able to do that, but let's see how this turns out as well. Okay, and so as you can see, this shows up there, and the widget one would show up here as well. Okay, on the actual site. Okay, you can actually customize the colors. So instead of the pink here, let's say if we want to go, let's go for a little bit more navy blue, so slightly matches the logo. Let's say that you can actually customize the chatbot like that. Okay, as I said, this is just a very brief demonstration just to show the capability. Okay, then you've got these other buttons here which I won't touch. It's just messaging channels, so again you can connect it to the WhatsApp, Messenger, and also Instagram. So there's another video that will show you how to do that, and then we're going to just save the settings. Okay, now we're going to test the bot. So let's go back to settings here. I just want to check that I've got. Oh, and actually this is quite good. So as I said, I got my information from ChatGPT, but if you've got URLs from your site, any questions and answers on your website, or any text, and you can also upload files, this will also help train your chatbot, okay, as well. So okay, one important thing here is make sure that this here is filled in, the AI assistant and the AI account, OpenAI account details, and also the chat or the GPT assistant is filled out there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go and get the bot URL, and we're going to test it. And I'm going to go into incognito mode. I'm going to copy this link, and let's go into incognito mode. I'm going to paste this. Okay, and as you can see here, chat with us. We're going to go here. I'm going to ask it a question. Do you have any properties for sale? Let's see what it comes back with. So it's thinking about it. There you go. Yeah, welcome to Luxury Real Estate Services. How can we assist with your Florida property needs today? I'm going to say, let's make an appointment. Let's see what they say. Again, I haven't trained the chatbot, so it'd be very interesting to see what comes up. certainly I can help you with that. Could you please provide me your referred date and time for the appointment? Okay, so as you can see, it's interactive, and it is, very dependent on the information that you put into the chatbot itself, and to train it correctly. Okay, so what you can also do, let me just find the right page here. Oops. Okay, you can also have this as a URL. So I'm going to show you that quickly. And again, I'm going to go to the incognito window just so it doesn't remember any of the other data. And this looks a little bit differently. You'll see it load up here. The logo hasn't loaded up. I think it's because I didn't have a proper round one. Okay, and again, it's ready there for your engagement. Okay, so let's see what it says. Send me my property report. Let's have a look on what it comes back with. Could you please promote a specific property or area you are interested in, so I can gather the relevant details for you. So there you go. Okay. Okay, so that's actually AI Bot Studio in a nutshell. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed the this actual review. Again, you'll find other videos on messaging, on the messaging channels, how to connect them, how to connect it to your domain, and once you start receiving leads, okay, so with a lot of them you can actually make opt-in forms as well, so that you can start generating more clients. Okay, so this is where the bot leads would come up. So hopefully you've enjoyed this presentation. As you can see, it is very simple to create. I think a big tip is to have all your assets already done, like all your URLs and your information to train the bots, and also your graphics as well. But as you can see, this can be a wonderful tool for your business to generate sales, leads, and also to provide customer support as well. So thanks for your time. Click the link below to get access to AI Bot Studio, and I appreciate you watching this review and demonstration.